How's it going? Corey Robertson here, Director of Golf at Cordillera Ranch. Wanted to show you guys how to fix a pitch mark properly. Here we are on the 6th hole, and I hit my wedge in here, and I just so happened to hit a pretty good shot. The first thing we're going to do here with this pitch mark is tap down the back edge with the putter. And then we're going to go in with a tee, or you can use our pitch tool, and you just go in from the side, and all you're going to do is just push in. Just trying to get that grass to seal that hole up. But what we're not going to do is push in and then lift up, because that breaks the root structure. So just give it a nice gentle push, and then we're going to give it a little tap with the putter. And there you go, it's nice and flat, looks like nothing ever happened. I'll give you an example of one that was fixed improperly. If you come over here just short of the hole, actually it looks like this one wasn't fixed at all. You can tell that the dirt is still exposed and the grass hasn't sealed back over it. So in order to repair this one, we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to kind of gently stick the tee in and push forward to try to close that gap up, and then tap it back down with the putter. And now you can see that's nice and smooth there instead of having that little indentation. Here we are in a greenside bunker, and I got my handy rake here. I've already hit my shot out onto the green. So now I'm going to clean up my footsteps and my divot there. The first thing you want to do is try to smooth it over and get it relatively flat, and then try to leave it better than you found it. So I'm going to start by pushing away, and I may have to push a little bit or pull towards myself a little bit here to fill that divot in. But I'm always going to finish by gently sweeping away with the sand. Now mind you, I'm not taking it here and digging it in real deep, because that just causes more problems than help. So you just want to lightly brush it away to get rid of all those footsteps. Leave it nice and smooth and better than you found it. It's also probably worth noting one of the ways of not to do it. So if I step up into the bunker and I just take it and drag it behind me, leaves it nice and uneven, doesn't get all your footprints. It's just not really a good way of cleaning up after yourself. So here we are about 30 yards off the green, and I'm going to hit a little pitch up there, trying to get it nice and tight and save my par. Not bad. Now, when we go up there, we're going to want to look for the pitch mark. Even though it was a short shot, we probably left a little indentation that we need to fix. So here's my pitch mark, just a few feet on the green. My ball's up there pretty close to the hole, but we still need to fix this little pitch mark. So even when you're hitting the little short shots onto these greens, you need to make sure you're looking for your pitch mark. So again, we just go in from the sides and just give it a gentle push where we smooth it up and then tap it down. There you go, looks like nothing ever happened.